Are you ready to transform your creativity into a flourishing graphic design business? Embarking on this venture in America begins with identifying your niche. Rather than diluting your expertise across numerous services, narrow your focus to specific areas, be it logo design, branding, or web graphics. Specializing allows you to attract high-quality clients and command premium rates as you position yourself as an expert in your chosen domain. Once you've selected your niche, it's vital to hone your skills in professional design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Figma. Stay current with the latest design trends through continuous learning and practice. Invest time in online courses, tutorials, and design challenges that will enhance your abilities and confidence, helping you stand out in a competitive market. Creating a compelling portfolio is essential for showcasing your talents. Clients are often swayed by visual proof of your capabilities. For those just starting, build sample projects that highlight your skills and creativity. Include a diverse range of design work, like brand kits and social media mock-ups, to convey your versatility and expertise. A polished portfolio is your ticket to attracting clients and making a lasting impression. With your skills and portfolio in hand, take the important step of registering your business. You can opt for a sole proprietorship or LLC based on your needs and local regulations. Ensure you secure any necessary licenses, giving your business a legitimate foundation from which to operate. Establishing a compliant business structure builds credibility and is crucial for future growth. Next, set up a productive workspace that fuels your creativity. A reliable computer, robust internet access, and top-notch design software will serve as the backbone of your operations. Many graphic designers thrive from home, creating a comfortable yet professional environment that supports their creative endeavors. Once your workspace is ready, determine your pricing strategy. Research local rates to ensure you're competitively priced while still valuing your skill set appropriately. Charging per hour, per project, or via monthly packages are effective ways to monetize your services. Building a solid online presence is indispensable. Develop a professional website displaying your portfolio, services, and client testimonials. Complement this with profiles on platforms like LinkedIn and design networks to increase visibility. As you begin seeking clients, network actively through social connections, local businesses, and freelance marketplaces, reaching out directly to potential clients in need of design expertise. Lastly, strive to deliver exceptional customer service. Meet deadlines, communicate effectively, and simplify processes for clients. Happy customers are likely to return and refer others, further propelling your business forward.